What's the meaning of burnished? Burnished. Burnished.
Burnished. Burnished. Burnished is an adjective that describes the appearance of a surface that has been polished or smoothed by friction. The result of burnishing is a shiny and smooth surface that reflects light, with no roughness or texture. Burnishing is often used to achieve a decorative effect on metal or leather surfaces, giving a mirror-like finish that enhances their beauty and durability. This technique is achieved by rubbing the surface with a hard tool or object, such as a burnishing bone or agate burnisher, which presses and compresses the surface material, creating a dense and compact structure with a lustrous shine.